The LitezAll rechargeable Briteband headlamp produces a very wide, shadow-free beam from a very low-profile fixture. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the headlamp, a USB-C charging cable, 4 hard hat clips, and an instruction booklet. The Briteband measures 5.5 inches across by 1 inch high by 3/4 of an inch deep at its widest spot. At just over 2 ounces in weight, you'll barely know you're wearing it. Since the headlamp is rechargeable, it's best to give it a full charge before using it. Plug the charging cable into any USB power source such as a power bank, wall charger, car charger, or computer. Pull back the charging port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A red light means charging is underway, and the light turns green when charging is complete. A full charge of the non-removable 700 milliamp hour 3.7 volt polymer ion battery takes up to 2 hours. Repeatedly pressing the power button selects the 4 light modes, plus off. High white is 370 lumens with a 1 hour and 20 minute runtime. Low white is 115 lumens with a 2 hour and 20 minute runtime. Solid red has a 6 hour runtime, and flashing red has a 7.5 hour runtime. A non-removable headband is attached and may be adjusted to fit most head sizes for adults and children. The headband may also be worn over hard hats and secured with the included clips. Attaching them is easy. With the slot on the clip facing you, insert the bottom of the headband into the slot and stretch the headband until the top also fits in the slot. Repeat this process for all clips. Slide the headband over the hard hat and secure the clips evenly spaced along the bottom. The LitezAll rechargeable Briteband headlamp is particularly useful when working in tight spaces, thanks to its very low profile and 180-degree light dispersion. It also features a reflective headband for high visibility. This is a great headlamp for auto mechanics and construction job sites, but is equally useful for hiking, cycling, and walking at night.